In this video, I'll guide you step by step through the ultimate Nvidia Control Panel settings to help optimize your GPU for maximum performance. Let's jump in and take your gaming experience to the next level. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more tech tips. The first step is to update your Nvidia drivers. Before we get started, make sure your Nvidia graphic drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can bottleneck your GPU's performance. This is how to update your Nvidia graphic drivers. Open your GeForce Experience utility and check for updates. You can either head to your system tray and click on the Nvidia Experience utility, and you click on drivers. Then you click on check for updates. Once updates are done checking, click on install. Latest drivers mean better optimization and stability. The second step is accessing Nvidia Control Panel. To open the Nvidia Control Panel, right-click on your desktop and select Nvidia Control Panel. Either way, you can head to your search icon on the taskbar and then search Nvidia Control Panel. Then you click on it to launch it. The next step is to adjust image settings with preview. Navigate to adjust image settings with preview. Select and use the advanced 3D image settings and hit on apply. This step sets the foundation for custom tweaks. The next step is manage 3D settings. Now head over to manage 3D settings for some serious optimization. Before changing any settings, hit the restore button to reset any previous tweaks. A clean slate helps you follow along. For image scaling under global settings, turn it on to enhance image quality when using lower resolutions, and adjust the sharpening percentage to suit your preference, and enable the overlay indicator to monitor the feature. After that, you press or click on OK. The next option is ambient occlusion. Set to performance for better visuals with minimal impact on FPS. For anisotropic filtering, leave it at application control to improve the quality of textures when viewed at an angle. For anti-aliasing FXAA, turn it to off to prevent overriding application settings and for faster performance. For anti-aliasing transparency, turn it to off. For background application max frame rate, set this to off unless necessary. For CUDA GPUs, select your Nvidia GPU or all available GPUs for SLI setups, then click on OK. Onto DSR factors. Enable this if you want to render games at higher resolutions, example 4K on a 1080p monitor. You can select according to your preference. Then you click on OK. Now onto low latency mode. Choose Ultra to reduce input lag and frame times for responsive gaming. Now onto max frame rate. Leave the option to off and then click on OK, or manage FPS limits in individual games under program settings inside the Nvidia Control Panel. Now let's head to OpenGL Rendering GPU. Click on the options and then select your Nvidia GPU. For power management mode, switch from optimal power to prefer maximum performance. This boosts FPS during intensive gaming without unnecessary energy drain. For shader cache size, keep it as driver default. Now for texture filtering, which is the anisotropic sample optimization, enable this on for smoother textures. On to negative LOD bias under texture filtering, set this to allow. For texture filtering quality, choose high performance. And texture filtering trilinear optimization, turn it on. Now for threaded optimization, set to auto for multi-threaded GPU operations. And for triple buffering, turn it on only if you use VSync. On to vertical sync. Select use the 3D application setting to avoid forced VSync. For virtual reality pre-rendered frames, set to 1 for VR performance. Click apply to save changes. Now for the next step, configure surround and physics. Go to configure surround and physics. When asked to apply changes, click on yes. Under processor, select your Nvidia graphics card and then save your changes by clicking apply. Now for this last step, which is the bonus display optimization, let's tweak our display settings for a better experience. Go to change resolution and set the following parameters. Choose the best resolution for your monitor, and then choose the maximum refresh rate supported by your display. Now, scroll down to apply the following settings and choose your Nvidia color settings. For the desktop color depth, set to maximum, example 32-bit, and for the output color depth, use the highest available option. Hit apply and watch your display transform. This tweak enhances color vibrancy and sharpness. You will thank me later. Learn more and stay updated. That's it. These optimized settings will enhance your gaming performance and elevate your experience. If you are ready to keep improving your games, hit the subscribe button and join the community for more tips, tricks and tutorials. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.